All right. And there we go. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see by this little unboxing here, we have our newest sponsor, and it is CarLock. They recently reached out to me, asked me if they wanted to sponsor me, and I looked into the product, and it seems to be something that a lot of people use. They seem to reach out to a lot of the high-end cars, which is pretty cool, right? So apparently it's a pretty simple connector. It connects to the diagnostic center in the car. I believe you just have to download the app. I believe there is a subscription to this, so we'll find all that kind of stuff out. So I'll walk you guys through step by step how to install it, how to sign up, and then we will test it out and see how it goes. Okay, so it looks here, I guess it says work and sleep without worry. CarLock monitors your vehicle and alerts you on your phone when your vehicle is moved, when the engine starts, if unusual vibration is detected, and even if the device is disconnected. So that's kind of cool. So I guess, you know, God forbid if somebody breaks in your car and they disconnect this module, it'll let you know, which is obviously pretty cool. Monitor your teenagers, so obviously it'll, you know, see if somebody's going kind of fast. Virtual mechanics, so it looks like it will give you in advance if there's any kind of codes or whatever that shoots in your car, so we'll do a review on that. Most importantly, it acts like a GPS, so that's kind of important, you know. I mean, if you want to know where your car's at all times, you know, if I'm at work, you know, make sure the car's in parking lot, all that kind of good stuff. So and again, I believe there is a subscription to this, so we'll you know, kind of log in, register this vehicle to this device, and I will show you guys sort of step by step on how to do that. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, it looks like this is the device that goes in the car. And again, it just plugs in. I'll show you where that's at on the car. I think for most cars in the same spot, it's right in the driver's side, you know, right by where your knees are at though. So we'll plug that in. And obviously you got your installation manual. Okay, it looks like first step, pretty simple. You're gonna enter your activation code and then your device serial number, which is right here. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So it looks like they give you a 1 month free trial, and then you will be charged, I guess, $9.60 after that every month. So go ahead and fill out your information and then go from there. And there we go, updated and registered. Now let me download the app. Okay, so it looks like it's going through the different kind of features. Driving score. Okay, let's plug this baby in. Alright guys, we're in the driver's seat. We're gonna take our unit and it goes right there. So pretty simple. So we're just gonna plug it in. There we go. We are in. Okay, we are connected. It says CarLock enables you to be notified when your car's engine is started or is being moved. Okay, skip demo. And tap here to log in and activate CarLock device. Now it says go for a drive to get a valid GPS location. All right. Alright guys, here we are, actually the very next day. It did take me 30 minutes or so of driving for the GPS unit to find my unit. But now that it did, it actually is pretty cool. If you hit this button right here, it'll kind of get you going, gives you all your dashboard, your log, your settings, your profile, all the kind of different, you know, features that this unit has, this app has. It's pretty cool. You know, it gives you how many miles I've driven for the day or for this time. I've been on it for 2 hours. You know, it just logs really everything about the car, which is pretty cool. Top speed, my driving score, you know, you can kind of learn about that. Again, overall, some really cool features with this unit. You know, for me, it's a peace of mind to know that I have complete access to my car. I know where it's at, so on and so forth. It does let me know when the car starts, when the car leaves. You know, it does have a cool vibration sensor in the car to where if, you know, I guess if somebody hits it, God forbid, it'll send me a notification straight to my phone, which is pretty cool. You know, if you're somebody who drives their car to work, leaves it in a, you know, open parking lot, it's just, again, another good added security feature, peace of mind. I will be probably doing another review on the unit probably about 2-3 months from now, just to kind of see how it works, what I do, what I like and what I don't like. But so far I've got nothing but good things to say about it. Totally happy with it so far. Again, I want to say thank you to CarLock for sponsoring the car and myself. And lastly, I will leave you guys off with this cool little video that I did. So you guys know, if watching the channel, I do have a drone. I've been using it a lot more lately, so I figured I'd spice this up a little bit and ended up with a bang. So I appreciate you guys, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.